June 5th, that is today, is International Environmental Day 2020. Every year on June 5th, we celebrate International Environmental Day. This year, the theme is celebrating biodiversity. Every year on Environmental Day, we will have a theme. This year, our theme is celebrating biodiversity. With the extinction of around 1 million species from the world, this theme have become very much relevant today. There was a news that around 1 million species are going to extinct. Already some species are extinct and some are about to become extinct. For that reason, the theme today, celebrating biodiversity, has taken its relevance. This day, particularly in the year 2020, it is going to be hosted by Colombia in partnership with Germany. And year 2020 have seen unprecedented events putting together, coming together and combined together. Bushfires in Australia, forest fires in Amazon, cyclones, droughts, locust attacks, and above all, coronavirus. So for all these things, the only solution is protecting biodiversity. The humanity has to fundamentally rethink about its relationship to the Mother Earth, particularly ecosystems and biodiversity. And this day, particularly International Environmental Day, governments, citizens, NGOs, youth and other organizations come together to bring awareness about environmental protection and biodiversity. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity comes from two words, bio and diversity. Bio means life, diversity means variety. Biodiversity is a variety of all living things, different plants, animals and microorganisms, the genetic information they contain and the ecosystems they form. And we have three levels of biodiversity: genetic biodiversity, species biodiversity, ecosystem biodiversity. And mankind should understand that the earth does not belong to the human beings. In fact, human beings belong to the earth. We should treat the earth with respect, Mother Earth with dignity. That is very important. Coming to World Environmental Day history, for the first time, we have celebrated, we have really thought of World Environmental Day on the occasion of Stockholm Summit. Stockholm Summit 1972 is the first ever international environmental summit. Stockholm Summit 1972 is the first ever international environmental summit held at Stockholm on June 5th, 1972. On that particular event, they have decided to conduct International Environmental Day every year on June 5th. To commemorate the day and also to work for awareness of environmental protection, June 5th was considered as International Environmental Day. And the next important summit about environment is 1992. 1992, the summit was held at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It is also called as Rio Summit, Earth Summit or United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. In that particular summit in 1992, Agenda 21 was signed. And in 2002, we have Johannesburg Summit on Sustainable Development. And in 2015, you all know, we have COP21, Paris Climate Deal. On the occasion of Environmental Day, I wish to tell you some important environmental principles: polluter pays principle, sustainable development principle, environmental justice, green justice, green environment, climate refugees, green development, etc. These are the words which we are using regularly. Along with that, you should also know certain important international environmental institutions like UNFCCC, like UNCCD, like IPCC, like UNEP, etc. Along with that, we have certain important environmental NGOs, for example, Greenpeace. And you should also remember environmental summits and also protocols like Rio Summit or Earth Summit, like Paris Climate Deal, etc. And protocols like Nagoya Protocol, Kyoto Protocol, conventions like Minamata Convention, Basel Convention, etc. For notes to this topic and other topics, you can see our Telegram channel, Ballata CSB IS Academy. Every day you will get notes in that channel.